Hey there YouTube, today we are unboxing the latest Pharrell collab with Adidas. Shall we go now? Hello. Hey there YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here. And if you don't know what we do on this channel, we tend to do sneaker unboxings. We do these cinematic on foot things and we stream on Sundays talking about sneakers and other stuff. I'm not going to say sneakers and stuff because that's something else. If you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, it's just down there. And if you want to give us a like, that would be amazing. But nobody's here for the intro. Everyone's here for the unboxing. And already sneaker cam. Given that Nike are now giving us new boxes, we all know that this isn't a Nike. So shall I do it? Oh, it's first thing in the morning, everyone. Camera 2. It's first thing in the morning. And SJ's a bit grumpy. So we're going to speed this up. Which camera? Which camera? That one. Yes, so. Slight microphone malfunction, everyone. The dog has run off with the microphone. Okay, we have got Standard Hue type box, everyone. SJ, getting close. Seeing that? Boom. So we've got Adidas Consortium X, so it's a collab. It's a collab, everyone, with the Billionaire Boys Club NMD Human. It's a UK 11. The color they're using is white, scarlet, bright yellow. That's actually the end sticker, so I'm reading the wrong sticker. Got the Pharrell Williams piece on there, as usual. I think it's got a code of BB9544. There's some other numbers here, I haven't got a clue what they mean. Let's get straight into the thing. So, boom. Okay, boom. So we've got paper, if anyone's interested. Adidas gold stuff, but no one cares about the box or indeed the thing. Everyone wants to look at the shoe. The shoe's kind of weird, kind of interesting. So everyone knows I'm Mr. Nike. That's what I do. And I don't actually really buy Boost. I don't buy Adidas very often. I certainly don't buy NMDs, but there was something about these. I thought, oh, I'm never gonna get them. I thought I'd enter that drawer on end and just see if like I could get me luck in. And it seems I did. It seems I did. I was quite surprised. So I'm just getting all the bits and pieces out so we can have a proper look at these. So this is the latest Pharrell Human collab. It's a collab. I can't say it weird. It's a
You're taking a nip at me.
It's a collab, everyone, between the Billionaire Boys Club, BBC. This is what they're calling the Hearts and Mind. That is a take on I think Pharrell's philosophy, really, which is wealth is of the heart and mind, not the pocket. Now, some people have described this colorway as whimsical. Other people have described it as being inspired by collegiate colors. I actually think it's more sailing-like. It feels more nautical in its inspiration from its colorways than anything else. It's got, if I'm looking on the inside, oh, bloody hell. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Now, these aren't gonna come out. So SJ, you're gonna have to come in. And I'm gonna go on this shoe because we can loosen this one a lot more. SJ's on sneaker cam today, everyone. And it is first in the morning, so there's a different energy on this video. Can SJ get in there? I'm gonna put that up to the light. Can she see that the shoe liner of sort is actually body parts? Can you see that? It's weird, isn't it? You've gone right into the shoe. So we've got like liver, stomach, diaphragm, lungs, thyroid. I'm gonna take my glasses off for that. It goes all the way in, like that's really, really peculiar. I think what's that weird thing you had done? Not weird, I know everyone believes in it. What's that thing you had done with your foot?
Reflexology.
I think this is to do with reflexology. So different parts of your foot, obviously in reflexology land, relate to different parts of the body. And I think that's what this inner sole is. But we're gonna come back in. It's got a chunky boost. Like that's really chunky. Having obviously unboxed and done the on foot for the React elements, I can see the kind of like, at least the way that the midsole is working on Boost and the way that Nike have done the React. There's something in it. There's this, obviously I talked about the thickness here on the React element, and this is pretty chunky. And then the fact that it tapered off, and this is just the same. The insole is really thin. You're literally sitting on that Boost. I think the other thing is we've got quite a thick sole on these. There we go. Have a look at that, SJ. We got that. Now, the thing that I was expecting on these that I don't see, I was expecting on the heel, I was expecting the Spaceman logo from BBC, and we've just got the B. We see that on the other one, on the other heel, we've got the Adidas logo. Let's have a look at you, camera 2. Can you see that? So we've got here, we've got the Adidas logo. Where I was expecting the Spaceman helmet, which we don't have for some reason, which is interesting, we've got the B there. Now, if we look at these together, we can see them together. They're a lot heavier than I was expecting. They're a lot heavier. Hearts and minds, obviously, on the top of that. I like the alternate laces that they provided. They provided these yellow alternate laces. Can you see that, everyone? Camera 2, the yellow ones they've got. I don't know what's that's running through them. How would you describe this, SJ? SJ doesn't know how to describe the lace, but I think we're gonna call it striped. The thing that I've noticed with the end of the lace caps with these, still following this nautical theme here. Well, I'm gonna call it nautical. Nobody else is. I'm saying it's nautical. The lace cap, if we come in, is that in focus? It's following on the same theme of that red, yellow and blue. And I just want to check the end of the lace caps of the second set of laces. We haven't, on the second set of laces, we've just got the 3. That's a lot tougher sole as well as I was expecting. I know I've just mentioned the sole earlier, but I was expecting a thinner, I don't know what, just not as chunky. I'm kind of curious about these. I really want to see what they're going to look like on foot. You know, we haven't done a pair of these on Pint of Stuff at all. We've really not. I tend to stay away, but that feels really like, so I was squeezing the React Element foam the other day, and it's quite tough. There's not a lot of give, but this boost, there's a lot of give in that boost. Like, if you can see my fingers, can you see my fingers? Like, just like, I can squeeze that, like really squeeze it. I couldn't do that in the same way. Like, I think it actually shows better on the heel. So we've got, you can actually see that giving. You see that? You see how that's giving? The React Element, the React foam didn't give like that at all. So I think these are going to be bouncier. I suspect all the things that I've read about the boost in NMDs, these will give over time. And I know all the hype has gone for NMDs now, which actually is a good thing because it is an interesting profile. It really is an interesting profile. I just don't think it warranted all the hype that it got way back. I think that the telling with these will be in the walking and will be in the on foot and what they look like on foot. Right, let's get some of the lovely shots, SJ. So let's just pan into these, make them look beautiful. Beautiful there, beautiful shoes. This is a terrible unboxing, everyone. I apologize. I wanted to get this out really quick. I wanted to get it out a couple of days ago, but like we've been hyper busy. And so rushing this out in the morning probably wasn't the best thing, but doing it for the channel, doing it for all you so you can see this. Yeah, and also I want to get an on foot of these done this weekend. So I'm kind of curious as to what they're going to look like. What do we think, everyone? Are these a yay or a nay? See, I'm kind of frightened to go over to Sneaker Cam for the yay or nay because I'm already detecting, like, if a camera could do sarcasm and slightly snarky comments, Sneaker Cam is doing that right now without even, she's gonna do, like, right, we are going to Sneaker Cam right now to get the snarkiness. Yay or nay? That's a nay. Like, if there was more nays, we'd be in a stable right now. I really like them. I really like the colorway.
Need to see them on.
I think, yeah, we do need to see them on foot. These are gonna go with, I've got a pair of Levi's skate trousers. They're pinstripe, they're blue. I think these will go really well with them. Clashing stripes, just gonna be epic. Clown. I told you, did I tell you that Sneaker Cam was gonna be snarky this morning? She's just said that I'm gonna look like a clown in these. I don't think so. I don't think so. Let me know in the comment, did these rock your world or did they just pass you by? I know there's certain people that I work with that they would rock their world. Anyway, everyone, it's thanks again to all of you for subscribing. Massive thumbs up to you, not to the channel, but if you do want to give this video a thumbs up, that would be amazing. And I just want to say I will see you in the next video. See ya. See ya. See ya. That one looks really pale.